Hi everyone, welcome to eBooks Tips and Tricks. I'm Miss Leslie Ann. I'm here to help. Ebooks are a great thing to try, even if you love regular books. I promise you don't have to give up your regular books. Give them a try. You'll be amazed how easy it is. One place to get started is Access 360. Our Access 360 is run by the State of Illinois Library System. That means that Access 360 has a lot of choices, but some popular titles are harder to get because there are a lot of people checking out books. Start by going to the App Store or Google Play Store and downloading the Access 360 app. After it downloads, here's how to get started. Tap the 360 icon, tap Skip to skip the tutorial, enter your school or library name, then tap on the search button. Tap on your school or library name, and then enter your library ID and PIN number, and then click Login. You can now search for and check out a book. Once you set up your account, you can check out books. Tap the book you want to check out, tap Checkout, and then tap again to confirm. The book will automatically download and open. Swipe your finger to the left to start reading your book. When you're reading your book, here's how it works. You can tap the middle of any page to bring up reading menu options to make things bigger or smaller, or to search for certain terms. To exit that, you just tap the arrow in the upper left corner of the page. To return to your book, tap Return and click Yes to confirm if you ever stop reading your book. Another useful app is Libby by Overdrive. This one is also really good one for teens and kids. Libby is similar to Access 360, except for our library or consortium controls what books are available. That means there are less people accessing the books. Download it from the App Store or Google Play Store. Open the app to get started. Touch Yes that you have a library card. This app is very interactive and it asks you questions to get you started. That makes it super easy. Click I'll search for a library in the dialog and find Digital Library of Illinois for our consortium. We work together to offer more books. Choose Bloomingdale Public Library, enter your library card number and a PIN. You don't need to make a separate account like some of the other programs. Now you're in. Search for books using a magnifying glass icon or click on a popular category. There is also a kids and teen page that will bring up all those great items for those ages. After you find a title, check it out by touching Borrow. On the next page, press Borrow to confirm. There is a limit of 10 checkouts and 10 holds per card. Another app you can use is Canopy. Canopy is a web page where you can stream movies. There's a limit of 10 movies per month, but unlimited kids' movies. Start by going to canopy.com, or you can use the app, and it also can be downloaded by going to the App Store or Google Play Store. Sign-up steps will be similar if you're doing it on the web page or in the app. Here we used the web page. On the first page, click on Get Started and choose Find Your Library. They have a different section for public libraries and students at a university. Search for Bloomingdale Public Library. Put in your information and then click Sign Up. Make sure you confirm your account via email, then start watching. Click on Canopy Kids and watch lots of videos, including science videos. Flipster is an app that can check out magazines. Start by going to the App Store or Google Play Store and downloading the Flipster app. Find your library and log in using your library card number and PIN. You don't need to make an account. Choose a magazine and download it to your device. Click Read and start reading. Right now it's mostly adult magazines, but there might be some in here that you might be interested in for teens, like Chicago or People or Entertainment Weekly. There's no limit to the number of magazines you can check out. Weekly magazine issues expire in 2 days, and monthly or seasonal magazine issues expire in 7 days. That means they'll be returned back to the app. Our next app is Hoopla. Hoopla is an app where you can stream movies, read books, and listen to audiobooks or music. There's a limit of 7 titles per month. Download the Hoopla app or go to hoopla.com. Sign up for Hoopla similarly to the other apps. Just enter your information, library card number, and PIN number. One nice feature of Hoopla is there are no waiting lists. There are unlimited copies of all titles. Browse for titles on the main screen or search for them using the search function. There are browsing pages for music, eBooks, and videos. To check out an item, touch it, then touch Borrow. To confirm, touch Borrow again. Books check out for 21 days, movies check out for 3 days, music checks out for 7 days. There is also a kids page that will have all the titles kids will love. This is just to get you started. If you need help, you can book an appointment with the computer services or ask for Miss Leslie at the youth services desk. If you want to learn more about tech topics, check out one of our other videos on our YouTube channel. Thanks for joining me, and I hope you have fun reading some great ebooks.